Hello YouTube, today I am gonna show you how to hide those annoying folders in this PC. This tutorial is for Windows 8.1. Firstly, there are two links in the description box. First one is for 32-bit users and other is for 64-bit users. I'm using 64-bit Windows. The first registry file will remove all folders, the other registry file will remove only single folder, and the last registry file will restore all folders. Click your desired file and click Run from the pop-up window. Click Yes. As you can see, the annoying folders are no more. You can restore them at any time. Just some extra tip to get quick access to the folders which you hide. Right-click on your desktop, click on Personalize. Then click on Change Desktop Icons. Check the user files. Click OK. You now have a quick access to the folders you hid earlier. Rate, comment and subscribe if you like this video.